When a woman gives you that kind of look, it's rarely random. You've probably felt it before, that brief, lingering glance that stays just a heartbeat too long. Was it accidental? Was it intentional? Most men never learn to tell the difference, and as a result, they walk away from moments of raw attraction without ever realizing what just passed between them. Today, we're going to uncover the 10 subtle signals hidden in a woman's eyes that reveal when she's not just noticing you, she's pulled toward you, deeply, instinctively, and in a way that's impossible to fake. By the time we reach number 1, you'll see every look you've ever received in a completely different light. If you're new here, welcome. We share powerful, practical dating strategies for men every day. Drop a comment below, subscribe, and let's get started. 10. The pause before the smile. When her eyes meet yours and there's a tiny suspended moment before she smiles, that pause speaks volumes. Most smiles are automatic, instant, polite, forgettable. But when her face seems to freeze for half a second, it's her brain wrestling with attraction. Her instincts want to show you what she feels. Her conscious mind wonders if she should hide it. That flicker of stillness is tension, charged, alive. When you notice it, don't rush. Stay calm. That quiet confidence gives her permission to let the attraction surface. 9. The double glance, with a shift. If she looks at you, away, and then back again, with a subtle change in posture between those looks, it's not random. The first glance tests the waters. The second is an invitation. Maybe she angles her body toward you, touches her hair, adjusts her shoulders, all quiet signals of readiness. This pattern is ancient, wired deep in our courtship instincts. Don't break the moment. Meet her energy with a subtle shift of your own and let the tension build naturally. 8. The half-hidden stare. Sometimes desire doesn't show up as bold eye contact. It hides in glances she doesn't want you to catch. She might anchor herself, playing with her phone, a necklace, or a glass, while sneaking another look. Disinterest is clean and fast. Attraction is messy. It hesitates, stalls, leaks through. The more she hides it, the stronger it usually is. 7. The micro-freeze. When sexual attraction hits hard, the body reacts with stillness, a primal freeze. You walk into a room, she sees you, for a heartbeat, everything in her pauses. Her shoulders, her hands, even her blinking slows before she recovers and pretends nothing happened. Unlike smiles or laughter, this can't be faked. It's instinctive, and it only happens when her nervous system is overwhelmed by desire. 6. The instinctive lean-in. Not the obvious lean-in during conversation. This is subtler. Her head tilts slightly when you speak, her shoulders angle forward, her weight shifts unconsciously, as if pulled toward you. It's not about words, it's about energy. Her body is literally drawn in before her mind even catches up. 5. The unguarded laugh glance. Laughter drops defenses. If she laughs and her eyes snap to yours immediately after, as if to check whether you saw her reaction, that's her guard slipping. It's attraction spilling out through joy, unedited and raw. Don't overplay it. Just hold her gaze a fraction longer and let the moment breathe. 4. The delayed retreat. Sometimes the signal is in how long it takes her to look away. A glance that lingers just a little too long, even in professional or high-stakes settings, is her body betraying the fight between desire and composure. She might disguise it with a shift of her head, but that half-second delay is everything. 3. The silent map. When she's drawn to you, her gaze often drifts, tracing you without meaning to, hands, shoulders, chest, even your mouth, before snapping back up like nothing happened. Quick, instinctive, revealing. It's not checking you out like in movies. It's her subconscious memorizing you. 2. The unconscious mirroring spark. True attraction aligns physiology before anything else. Her breathing starts to match yours. Her blinking syncs with your rhythm. It's her nervous system tuning itself to yours, merging before her conscious mind even realizes what's happening. Change your rhythm slightly. If she follows without noticing, that's pure, unspoken chemistry. 1. The vanishing focus. This is the rarest and the clearest sign. Her eyes are on you, but suddenly they're not seeing you in the usual way. Her gaze softens, her pupils widen, the rest of the room disappears. It's the look someone has moments before a kiss, even if she doesn't know it yet. She'll snap out of it quickly, maybe laugh, Maybe shift nervously. Don't rush to fill the silence. Stay still. Let her feel what just happened. That's the moment when curiosity turns into undeniable desire.